Welcome to Sweden, and we're getting inside. Nothing to declare. If you have nothing to declare, just go. Okay naman kasi naka-automatic toll-free naman tayo. Actually, we're in the border. Okay. Yan. Hello, Sweden! Grabe, sa Sweden ka na naman. Daan ka na ng Sweden. Dito po kanilang view. Step, step, step. Pasok na naman kami dito. Border to border. Ayun na, may shop. Punta tayo dun sa shop. Do you want? May mga water. Another country, another language. Here is the parking area.